Namaste, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो Sridhara in the office. So yeah, it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something that you're looking for, you're asking for since so long, and we have enough pieces this time so that each and every one of you will get. And those who are new, those who just got connected with us, I just want to tell you in a very short way that every Friday we launch some new products, and we'll show you, we display each and every product to you through these videos, and at the end of the video आपको पिक्चर्स भी मिलेंगे इन वीडियो के विद देयर कोड्स एंड फुल डिस्क्रिप्शंस. So let me start showing you today's pieces, and they are beautiful cotton bag kurti fabrics. As summer have started and we all just looking out for something very simple and show that we can even use in our office wear also. So today we have bag beautiful designer kurtis. Like you can see, इन कुर्तीज़ की खासियत क्या है, इट्स अ वेरी सॉफ्ट 40 कॉटन, and the printing, the designing done on these kurtis are very unique. Front में your designing, your pattern will be different, and at the back it will be different, and on the sleeves it will be different. Okay, और आपका जो प्रोडक्ट्स के पिक्चर्स हम दिखाएंगे, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, जिसमें आपको ये फ्रंट पार्ट हाफ दिखेगा एंड बैक पार्ट हाफ दिखेगा. स्लीव्स जो रहते हैं वो इसके ऐसे बैक में रहेंगे. ओके, एंड पीपल हैव अ डाउट, ये बड़े बने का फैब्रिक होता है तो आराम से साइज 50 तक कुर्तीज़ बनती हैं एंड टिल लेंथ 48. ओके, सो देयर वोंट बी एनी कन्फ्यूजन, आप बड़े साइज़ की भी कुर्ती बना सकते हैं. ओके, एंड प्राइसिंग एज यूजुअल, इट्स अमेजिंग, सुपर रॉकिंग, पॉकेट फ्रेंडली. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट शोइंग यू टू दिस प्रोडक्ट, बाग डिज़ाइनर कुर्ती. वी हैव almost so many pieces, almost 100 plus pieces, so it won't be possible for us, but still we'll show you each and every kurti of one kurti with different colors. Okay, so first I'll start showing you in the black. पहली कुर्ती है, so I'll show you the fully in a very nicely manner so that there won't be any confusion to anyone जो पहली बार लेंगे. So आप देखिए, this will be ये जो है इसका फ्रंट पार्ट रहेगा पूरा. ओके, तो आप इसका पना देखिए कितना बड़ा है, एंड लेंथ यू जस्ट सी, हवा बहुत चल रहा है, सो यू लेंथ यू कैन सी, मैं पूरा छुप गई हूँ इसके अंदर. सो दिस इज द लॉन्ग लेंथ वी हैव. ठीक है, सो दिस विल बी द फ्रंट पार्ट. देखो इसका पैनल कितना सुंदर दिया हुआ है ना. नाउ दिस विल बी द बैक पार्ट, है ना, एंड दीज विल बी योर स्लीव्स. And this is whole fabric. So the pricing for these kurtis are just 950 each. Yes, 950 each. So now I'll start showing you the pieces. So this was the beautiful collection. This is beautiful collection for black. So I'll show you one pieces. So this is the front and this is the down panel. आपको pictures सारे दिखा दी जाएगी so that easily you can see. The next is this, and this is the front panel. And this is on white. I'll open one white for you so that आपको colors का पूरा idea हो जाएगा. See, आप सारी कुर्तियाँ देखना, पिक्चर्स में बहुत सुंदर हैं. ऐसा ना हो कि मैंने जो खोल के दिखा रही हूँ आपको लगे सिर्फ यही अच्छी है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. 100 पीसेज हैं. सो दिस इज द फ्रंट एंड दिस इज द बैक एंड दिस इज द स्लीव्स. So every color has a different beauty. On this color we have these many prints. So see, ये जो बूटाज है कितने सुंदर है, इसके साथ जो ये पैनल सेटिंग की हुई है, दे हैव देयर ओन ब्यूटी. सो ये बड़े ही प्यारे हैं. आई पर्सनली जस्ट लव दिस कलेक्शन. सी इसमें जो ये कॉम्बिनेशन दिया हुआ है, दिस इज कॉल्ड गद प्रिंट. Then this is the combination white with black, so I'll open this piece for you. So you can see this is the front. It's beautiful, na? Yes. And this is the back, and this will be the sleeves. And you can perfectly match with your plain pants, any color, black, white, your maroon, okay, with your leggings, with your shalwars, so they are perfect to match with. तो आपको अलग से कुछ पैंट्स भी का भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट प्रिंट. Just see the combination, it's look very beautiful. It's very difficult when people ask which one is more beautiful. For me, each and every piece is so beautiful. Look at their combinations. So this is the next color. It's a very lovely color of green. So this is the front, and this is the back, and the sleeves. And I just want to tell you one thing, आपको वीडियो में जो कलर्स दिख रहे हैं they are more perfect, because again पिक्चर्स में कुछ शेड्स हैं जो क्लियर नहीं आते हैं. सो प्लीज़ अगर जब आप वीडियो में देख रहे होते हो और मैं पिक्चर शेयर करती हूँ, सो पीपल गेट कन्फ्यूज कि ये पीस नहीं है, कलर इज़ डिफरेंट. तो मैम ओरिजिनल फोटोज़ जो रहते हैं उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आता है, बट आपको जो ये वीडियो में दिख रहे हैं ये कलर्स आर परफेक्ट. सो वी हैव फ्यू मैनी prints on this color. I'll just show you. So this is the combination. It's very pretty. It's give a look of more of pastel colors. And they look perfect combination with your black pants. See? Lovely. Then these are the different shades of red. So I'll open one piece for you. So again you can see this is the front, and this is the back part, and sides are the sleeves. So this is a red color. So this is the next print we have. And again a very lovely combination. Now this is a very beautiful print on your magenta color. So you just have a look. It's with black. So this is the front, and this is the black, and this is your sleeves. So it's a very beautiful magenta color, not the pink. And we are having these prints on it. Next we have its maroon. So you can see this is your front, this is your back, and this is your sleeves. Very nice, very beautiful. And all combinations are so beautiful. See, look at these bootas, so beautifully done. The combination, it's very nice. And the next is one of my favorite. I just love this green color in bag. It's a very soothing one. So it is with black. So this is your front, this is your back, and these are your sleeves. And this is, you can see the original green. The next print is this. And this combination with maroon, it's a very nice, very different. This is what I just love, this color from this slot. It's a very different one. And here comes Yogi Ji ka color, we call it. The Prime Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Ji used to wear. It's proper that color only. Generally, isko artisans bolte hai bhagwa color. Okay, it's from the family of orange, you can say. But the iska jo color aata hai, it's quite different. So this is the piece. I'll open it. So it is goes like this. So this is your front, this will be your back, very beautiful, and this is your sleeves. I just love these colors, huh? Just Indian colors are rocking. So this is the next. Just look at the combination of the bootas and the border patches used by the artisans. It's very nice. So see the next combination, it's very nice. The polka dots give very nice look. And yes, this is what we have collection on mustard yellow. So I'll open some other color. Yeah, so you can see what exactly mustard color is. So this is बाग mustard color, जो बहुत ही अलग होता है. Obviously जो अजरक में mustard होता है is different and इसमें different. So this is what you can see. Lovely piece. And this is the back part, and these are the sleeves. So these are the different prints we have on this color. It's with black, and fabric is so soft. You can see I am wearing, it's very soft, easy to carry, easy to maintain. And next is this. जिसमें मैं आपको बैक नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. द कॉम्बिनेशंस बहुत ही अच्छे डले हुए हैं. यू विल लव इट. आप पिक्चर्स में और देख पाएंगे. एंड दिस इज भगवा कलर विथ maroon. And yes, here we have fluorescent yellow for this summer. Just see how nice it is. So refreshing one. Yes. Every color, every print has its own beauty. Look at this jar. It's so beautiful. And these will be the sleeves. And these are the different colors prints that we have. So guys, these were the beautiful pieces of Bag designer kurti, pure cotton's one. Hope you like the collection, and for order you can connect with us at 9039717636. Now you will see all the pictures of these products nicely. Check their codes very properly, then inquire with me about the availability of these products. जो लोग नए जुड़े हैं उनको बता दें कि यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विथ मी व्हाट्सएप एज सून एज पॉसिबल, एज सून एज कंफर्म योर ऑर्डर, बिकॉज पीसेस गेट बुक सो फास्ट दैट समटाइम you just miss them. And hope you like again this time, and I know you all must be waiting to know what is the offer of the day. So this is the offer of the day. Guys, have a nice weekend. Enjoy your Sunday with your family, friends and dear ones. See you next week, same time, same channel. This is Anuja Jain from Studio Sweet Dhaga. Bye bye.